Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna prepare ground beef tacos for you guys. Yes, it's not Tuesday, but we're gonna make some tacos today, so stick around and watch this video and see how I made my ground beef tacos. And I'm sure you will like this recipe, so please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button and like and share. What I'll be using to make this ground beef tacos, I'm gonna use freshly ground beef. This is 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm gonna use some red pepper flakes, all-purpose seasoning, Badia all-purpose season, ground pepper 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of cumin, freshly minced garlic. I'm gonna use onion, cilantro. I'm gonna use lettuce, tomato sauce. I'm gonna use an avocado. I'm gonna use red onion. I'm gonna use some tomato, paprika. So go ahead and get your ingredients, and I'm gonna use also flour tortillas. I'm gonna use a soft tortillas today. So these are my recipe. Everything right here I'm gonna use today for this recipe. So stick around and watch this video. Now first I'm gonna start by cutting the onion. I'm gonna use half of the onion. And you want to dice this up. Your onions. Okay. Oh, my eyes, onion, they make me cry, man. Ugh. Oh, Lord. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn on the heat, and I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pot right here. Adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna heat this up, and I'm gonna add the onions. Okay, and I'm gonna add this is 4 head of garlic, and I'm gonna add all the garlic. Not 4 head of garlic, I mean 4 peg of garlic. This is 4 peg of garlic to half of onion. You need to put the stove on number 5, and if you have a medium stove or whatever, you're gonna put it on medium. But I'm putting mine on number 5, which is medium low. And now I'm gonna add the beef. And you wanna break this up. Instead of using the powder, garlic powder, I use the fresh garlic because I like fresh garlic on my meat, especially beef. So I just want to break this up as you go. And I'm using my homemade ground beef season. Okay. I'm adding all the beef. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the red pepper flakes. I'm gonna go ahead and add the all-purpose seasoning, Badia complete all-purpose seasoning, because I like to give my food lots of flavor. And this is 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, and this is 1 tablespoon of cumin. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the paprika, and this is about 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Yes, all in there. Okay. Smelling beautiful. And when you do your own ground beef seasoning, you control how much seasoning you want in in your meat and how much salt you want in your meat. If you notice, I didn't use any salt because I used the all-purpose seasoning already. So no need for you to go and buy that ground beef seasoning or taco seasoning if you don't have it. You can just substitute it with seasoning you already have in your cabinet or your cupboard or your pantry or whatever. So looking nice, smelling nice. You want everything to nicely cook through. I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomato sauce. This is about ½ cup of tomato sauce. You can use water also if you don't have any tomato sauce. But I'm gonna use tomato sauce for this. Beautiful. So it's so nice. Oh my god, smelling so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this to simmer for about 5 minutes. Gonna cover this up and leave to simmer for about 5 minutes. See guys, this is nicely done. Smelling so nice. Smelling so nice. Look at the beautiful, look at this beautiful beef. Now I'm gonna give it a taste of my own, just to make sure, just to make you know that everything is good. See? Nice and good. And just for you to know, when this is done cooked, everything's gonna turn dark. You don't want to see no pink inside there. This is nicely done. This tastes so beautiful. And this is the beef. This part is finished. I'm gonna go ahead and make the Pico De Gallo. To make this, you need tomatoes, you need onion, and you need lime, cilantro, and you need pepper. I already have everything washed, so I'm gonna go ahead and dice the onion, and I'm using red onion. You can use green onion if you got green onion. A regular onion. Man, that ground beef is smelling so awesome. I love it. The taste is still in my mouth. I love it. And if you already reached this far into the video, why are you not subscribing? Tell me why. You don't like what I'm doing here? I'm not doing a good job. If you think I'm doing a good job, you go ahead, like, share, hit that like button, and share and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think, or leave me a recipe, or leave me something that you want me to make in my next video. And to them, Maya don't come in the channel because she wanna go and play with her dad. She wanna go and play with daddy today, so she don't come in my channel. I asked her, please Maya, you can't come and do the channel with me. She said no, she's gonna go outside and play with daddy today. Yeah, so she dodged me for daddy today. So that's why I'm here doing the channel by myself. Yeah, so you want your onion to be nicely diced right there in two. I'm gonna go ahead and dice the tomatoes, or tomato, or I don't know what you guys call it, but we call it tomato. And you're just gonna cut this like so. And you're gonna cut. To me, it's best to use fresh tomato. It's not. You can go ahead and use a canned one, canned diced tomato, but something about fresh fruit, fresh vegetable. But if you just don't got it, then that's okay. You don't have to add the seeds to it. You can go ahead and take them out. You don't have to add them to it. Just draining off some of this juice to take up some of this tomato juice. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cilantro, and I'm using this amount. You can go ahead and use the amount you want, depends on this and the size you want to make. So I'm using this. I'm gonna just chop them up. Okay, gonna add this to the bowl also. You're gonna just combine everything together. Now I'm gonna add the jalapeno. If you want it hot, you leave the seeds in, and if you want it, and if you're afraid of heat like me or pepper, spicy things, you just kindly take out the pepper. Don't leave it in there. I warned you guys, just take out the seeds or the membrane. Take out these white part and the seeds. It's gonna be hella pepper if you leave that in, unless you like pepper or heat. I don't, so I'm taking them out. And I'm gonna add this to the bowl. Everything is added into the bowl. Everything. I'm gonna go ahead and add a lime. I'm using this size. And I'm just gonna squeeze it. And this is gonna give it a lot of flavor and kick and freshness to it and niceness. It's just gonna make everything come together and just wow. It's gonna make your mouth go wow. It's gonna make you go wow, man. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add half tablespoon. I'm gonna go ahead and add half tablespoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. I'm just gonna combine this together. You know what I'm saying. Just combine this nicely together. And there you have it. Easy as that. Easy as that. The cilantro and the lime is giving it all the vibe and this beautiful vibrant color. Tell me about it. Wow. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up some avocado slices, because we also want some avocado on top. We also want some avocado for the toppings, because we love avocado around here. Now I'm gonna dice the avocados because I want this to be the toppings also. I don't think this should be an option I think this should always be on the toppings. Only for those who don't like avocado, but whatever. Why you don't like avocado? What about it you don't like? Why? I'm just gonna scoop that out like so. I'm gonna take this out. Yeah, I didn't get it the first time, but whatever. Okay, and you're just gonna dice this up. Now I'm gonna prepare the tortillas according to the instruction on the bag, the eating instruction. I'm using this tortilla, the mission flour tortillas, fajitas, super soft. I'm using this kind. If you like hard shell, you can go ahead and use the hard shell. I like hard shell too, but I'm gonna use the soft shell today. And they said for 10 to 15 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and time this in an ungreased skillet. I'm just going ahead and time that. So I'm doing 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the other side. Not minutes, seconds. 5 seconds on the one side and 5 seconds on the other side. Okay. So I'm gonna flip this over. And they're done. Now I'm gonna do number 2. And I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna put them into my little taco thing right here. You can find this on Amazon. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some ground beef. And I'm gonna just go ahead and make the taco, man. I've been cooking now, so it's time for us to eat. It's eating time now. Come on. So I'm adding the beef first. You know the beef always go first, and then you can just add whatever else you wanna add. You don't have to do it in no order, and you can add any amount of beef you like. If you like a lot of beef, you add a lot of beef. Come on now, just make it cute. No, this one is done. Okay. So I'm just making 3 of them. As I said before, I'm making 3. And this can make a lot more, but I'm making 3 now just for you guys. I'm leaving the rest for us to eat off camera, but I'm doing these 3 right now here. So you guys can see that. So I'm adding some more beef. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the lettuce. Gonna add the lettuce. And I said before, no particular order. Just do them anyhow or any order you want to do them, or you can follow me if you want. That would be very nice. But as we said before, this is your food. You do what the hell you want to do, because it's used. You're the one who's gonna eat it. And now I'm gonna add the Pico De Gallo. Man, I just can't pronounce this name. I'm just gonna put this on top. Put this on top. Oh my god. Beautiful. And now I'm gonna add the avocado. I love my avocado. Avocado, I love the. I'm just gonna add some avocado on top of that too. Gonna add. Let me use this. And put some few avocado slice on top. I'm putting a couple more avocado slice. And now I'm just gonna add the cheese. And this is some triple blend cheddar cheese. Just gonna put it on top like so. Oh my god. And there you have it, guys. My ground beef taco. There you have it, guys. Nice and hot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these. Okay. This is gonna be messy, but who gives a damn? I'm gonna try this. Oh my god. So delicious. Yummy and nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And share. Thanks for watching. Simple, easy, and nice taco.